Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. These are my 3 tips to become a successful investor in 2022. Now, I'll preface this by saying I'm not a financial advisor, but these are 3 things that I've learned over the past couple of years of having my TFSA portfolio going on Wealthsimple. So number 1, do your research on these investments. There is a lot of information online, but really drill down before you make an investment in the stock market to the companies that you want to invest in and also the ETFs that you invest in. There's a lot of information on YouTube. There's some great information actually on Twitter. So if you don't have a Twitter account, head over to Twitter and look a lot of the research that goes on there. There's some great information. With that being said, don't take everybody's word for it on YouTube in terms of buying a particular stock. Don't jump into something because someone else is. That's just a recipe for disaster. Do your research. Also, if you're checking out the companies that you potentially want to research in, there's lots of information online. Make sure you're checking out the investor section of their websites. And if you're purchasing an ETF, check out the ETF website as well. The second tip I have is to dollar cost average. I've been learning this along the way. It does a lot to take a bit of the emotion out of your investments and makes things easier. So if you know you're going to be purchasing at a regular basis, dollar cost average into your portfolio and take your time. That's the third one, patience. And you really cannot forget your thesis on your investment and make sure that you are following and sticking to that plan. It's easy to look at your portfolio every day and it's down and it brings your mood down definitely. This is the flip side. If it's going up, you feel great and you want to buy more. That shouldn't be the time that you want to do it. You should be just sticking with your plan, sticking with your allotments of your stocks and ETFs in your portfolio and just slowly building and building and building slowly. On that note, with investing, if you are going to be investing into the market and into equities, if it's funds that you are going to require within less than 5 years, you really want to stay out of the market. It's very volatile. As you can see, following along with my portfolio right now, it's very volatile out there in the short term. So you want to have a long-term outlook if you are definitely investing in your stock portfolio. Thanks for watching, everybody. Just some few tips that I have learned. If you've made it this far and unsubscribed to the channel, it'd be great to have you join along. We've also already got almost 1,000 subscribers, which is awesome. I appreciate everybody that has subscribed. Getting lots of great questions. These were some of the questions that I answered in this video, kind of rolled into one. So hopefully you found it useful and decided to follow along. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll have another portfolio update in the next video. Until then, have a great day.